Lesson about ow sound, and basically this is from group 7, and we are starting this one. You can also find this sound in IPA. It's a vowel sound, and one vowel is gliding into the other one, so two vowels are basically combined together. So we will introduce this sound with the sounds around the child's environment. Then there would be the introduction of the sound with the letter shape, story, and action, letter formation, sounding, and jolly song. So before starting this sound, there is a need to revise the previous sound. So let's have a look at previous sound over here. Yeah, x, combination of two sound, ch, sh, two sounds over here. Ch is a sound that has a bit schwa. Sh is a continuous sound, and again these two sounds are continuous sounds with no schwa. Let's listen to them.
Y, y, yogurt. Y, y, y.
Okay, now this one.
X, x, fox. X, x, x.
Let's move back once again.
Ch, ch, chicken. Ch, ch, ch. Sh, sh, hush. Shh, shh, shh. V, v, this. V, v, v. Three.
Okay, so there are a few things you can collect in your vocabulary basket. If there is something you cannot put in the basket, you can make a flashcard of that object. For example, ground, mouse. You can make a flashcard of a mouse and put it in your basket. South, loud, house, flower. Now you're going to talk about that two letters representing one sound, ow, ow, but one sound is gliding into the other one.
Ow, ow, ouch. Ow.
Okay, so sometimes there are some sounds which are difficult, and we cannot make all of the stories, and these are not very simple as well. So for such sounds we can use the same story given in the Jolly Phonics teacher's guides, and the children can pretend that the baby girl is pretending that she has pricked her finger with the needle and saying ow, ow, ouch. And they can see the clouds over here, and here's a clown over here, and cow. Okay, so this is the sound of the day, and here are some more pictures: mouth, cloud, and trout. See the sound, do the action. Children pretend their finger is a needle and use it to prick their thumb, saying ow sound. Letter formation. Can you put your finger on the tracing dot? Come down, go up. It is suggested that if children are understanding and learning new digraph sound, they should join them. It gives them this idea that both of the sounds are joined together. If the school is not having any policy for joint writing at this stage, Then they can encourage children to put a circle around the sound or underline the sound. बेसिकली जो आइडिया है वो यही है कि बच्चे जो हैं इन दोनों साउंड्स को ज्वाइन करना सीखें. Okay, now this is the time when you put your finger on the tracing dot and match letters with pictures. House with ow and trousers with o sound. Okay, now listen carefully and tell where is the sound. Loud speaker, sound is in the middle. Couch, sound is again in the middle. Okay, what is in the nature? Trout, cloud, mountains, and mouse. You can talk about these things in the nature. Okay, so it's a story. Come over to my house. You can find the story. It's a famous book for children. You can find the story in the Google and download and read to the children. Count the houses. In the activity time, you can tell them to count the houses, to count the clouds, to count other things as well, such as count the crowns, count the trousers at home, things like that. In the worksheet time, they are going to color in the pictures that are representing ow sound, just as cloud. Glass and table are not representing ow sound, so they are not going to color in them. Trace in the big cutout and also write on the tracing dots. Circle the second sound of group 7, and they can also go and find such things at home, and they can talk about these things with their parents and teachers. Sometimes it's difficult to find out some vocabulary items with o sound. You can also find for things, and sometimes there are different things in the culture, there are different places over there. For example, you can talk about some bouncy places, play areas, and you can write the names of that in this area. It's a tongue twister. Proud mouse shout out while lying in the couch of the house. What else can you do? Okay, clouds making activity. They can do the role play of clouds. They can see the ground, read the storybook of little cloud, make paper clouds as well, smile and count the houses, cloud painting. In the vocabulary word bank, cloud, couch, count, crouch, found. Here most of the words are having ow sound in the middle, but in this word out sound is in the beginning, but ow sound is not there at the end. So this is the time for the songs and rhymes.
I pricked my thumb with a needle. Ow, 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 ow. I pricked my thumb with a needle. Ow, ow, ouch.
Children love nursery rhymes and songs, and it gives them an idea that how language is working. So it's important to keep on revising group 6 and 7 sound, because these are a bit different. They have got more digraph sound than any other groups, and also long and short vowels with the children. Do not forget to taste fresh sprouts.